Hello. Hello, my name is Mark Ledford, and today I'll be talking about different types of type designers. First, we have William Casson. He was born in 1692. His first created Latin typefaces were a Roman and Italic. He trained as an engraver in nearby Birmingham, and his typefaces were known by others as exotic. Here are a few of his examples. Next, we have John Baskerville. He was born in 1707. He was an English businessman, practiced as a printer in Birmingham, and also Ben Franklin admired his work. Here are a few of his examples. Next, and our final type designer today, we have Claude Garmond. He was born in 1510. He was a French type designer, created 3 typefaces, and was also created punches for government and publishers. Claude Garmond, it wasn't really well known of his education since I don't believe school was invented when he was born or when he died. It was just, I think it was invented in like 17 something, but here are some of his examples. I was only able to find 2 of them. And here are my resources. Thank you and have a good day.